Good morning, dear children. This lesson is of class 6 for the subject of general knowledge. The voice is of Harminder Kaur. In this lesson, children will learn about various important ancient Indian texts and their authors. The Vedas. The Vedas are a large body of religious texts originating in ancient India. They are believed to be one of the oldest books ever made by humans. They are written in Sanskrit language. They contain mantras which are chanted at religious ceremonies. They were passed down orally from one generation to the next over thousands of years. They were finally written down around 1500 BC. The Vedas have stories about the Hindu gods, instructions for rituals, hymns, poetry, and prayers. The actual authors of the Vedas are not known, but they are said to have been created by various rishis. The four Vedas are Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, and Atharva Veda. Ramayana. The Ramayana is an ancient Sanskrit epic. It is one of the two most important ancient epics of India. It was originally written by sage, that is Rishi Valmiki, who is himself a character in the story. The Ramayana is divided into 7 books. Mahabharata. The Mahabharata, that is the Great Bharata, is the other of the two most important ancient epics of India. One of the Indian sages named Rishi Vyasa is believed to have composed the work and is himself a character in the story. The work is divided into 18 parts. These sections are called Parvan. A Parvan means a book. The Bhagavad Gita, a dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna, is a part of the Mahabharata. The Ramayana and Mahabharata together are known as Itihasa. The word Itihasa means history. Moral lessons are included in Itihasic stories. Artha Shastra. Artha Shastra is an ancient book written by Kautilya, also known as Chanakya. Chanakya was an advisor and minister to the ruler Chandragupta Maurya. Chanakya helped Chandragupta Maurya to create his empire. The book Arthashastra covers many subjects such as politics, economics, administration, war, duties of a ruler, training of prince, qualifications of ministers, defense, courts, law, etc. Arya Bhatia. This is a book covering the topics of astronomy and mathematics, written by Aryabhatta, India's first major astronomer and mathematician. He divided days, months, and years according to the movement of heavenly bodies and also explained lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, rotation of earth on its axis, reflection of light by moon, diameter of earth. Guru Granth Sahib. The Guru Granth Sahib, also called Adi Granth, is the holy book of the religion Sikhism. It contains prayers and hymns of Sikh religion written by six Sikh gurus. Sikhs believe the Guru Granth Sahib to be a living guru. It is written in Gurmukhi script. The first composition in the Guru Granth Sahib is Mool Mantra by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Granth Sahib includes wisdom by non-Sikh writers, that is, Muslim and Hindu saints, as well, such as Saint Ravidas, Baba Farid, and Kabir Das. Natya Shastra. Natya Shastra, written by a sage Bharat Muni. The book is a detailed guide on drama, dance, and music. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Brahma was the creator of the Natya Shastra. The version written by Brahma was found to be extremely difficult to read by Indra and the other gods. It therefore became necessary that this book be written in a language that can be easily understood by people. And so a sage named Bharat Muni was given the extremely difficult task of rewriting the text. Movements of body parts involved in dance, such as chest, abdomen, hip, and the feet, are discussed in great details in this book. It also gives details about various types of instruments. Raja Tarangini. Raja Tarangini is a book written on the history of Kashmir and some of its surrounding regions. Raja means king and Tarangani means river. Hence, the book's name translates into River of Kings. It tells us about various kings of Kashmir the social life, agriculture of Kashmir, and also contains stories about the region. It was written in Sanskrit by Kashmiri historian Kalhan. It is divided into 8 parts known as Tarangas, meaning waves. Buddha Charitra. The word Buddha Charitra means acts of Buddha. It is a Sanskrit poem written on the life of Gautam Buddha. It was written by Ashwaghosa, a Buddhist poet and writer. Exercise number 1. Name the 4 Vedas. In which language are they written? Answer. The 4 Vedas are Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samaveda, and Atharva Veda. They are written in Sanskrit. Number 2. Who wrote the Ramayana? Rishi Valmiki wrote the Ramayana. Number 3. Who wrote Mahabharata? Into how many parts is it divided? Rishi Vyas wrote the Mahabharata. It is divided into 18 parts known as Parvans. Number 4. Who was Kautilya? Kautilya, also known as Chanakya, was a minister to the ruler Chandragupta Maurya. He wrote the book Arthashastra. Number 5. What is the book Arthashastra about? The book Arthashastra covers many subjects such as politics, economics, administration, war, duties of a ruler, defense, and law. Number 6. Who was Aryabhatta? Aryabhatta was an Indian astronomer and mathematician. He wrote the book Aryabhatta. Number 7. What is the book Aryabhatta about? The book Aryabhatta covers the topics of astronomy and mathematics. Number 8. What is another name for the Adi Granth? Adi Granth is also known as Guru Granth Sahib. It is written in Gurmukhi script and contains hymns and prayers written mainly by 6 Sikh Gurus. Number 9. Who wrote Natya Shastra? What is the book about? Natya Shastra was written by Bharat Muni. The book is written on the subjects of dance, drama, and music. Number 10. Who wrote Raja Tarangini? What is the book about? Raja Tarangini was written by Kalhan. The book tells us about various kings of Kashmir and the social life, agriculture of Kashmir. Who wrote Buddha Charitra? Buddha Charitra was written by Ashwaghosa. Number 12. What Mahabharata and Ramayana together are called in India? Itihasa. Thank you, children.